Welcome superCoolclues YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find internship. Internship refers to paid or unpaid hands-on work-related learning experiences conducted at an employer's site for an agreed short time that provides a student with a chance to gain important practical knowledge and skills in a career related to his or her classroom theoretical academic study. This is always done under the supervision and guidance of an employer-assigned professional supervisor and an academic institution-assigned supervisor. The internship always involves submission of reports to the academic institution that may be graded for credit or not. In rare situations, a student may be asked to pay an internship fee to the internship employer or the academic institution, or both, or to a recruitment agency. Why internship? To the student, internship provides real observation and application of concepts and theories learned at school. The student is able to boost his or her CV with work and tasks done during the internship. Extra opportunities also come to the student in terms of networking through interaction with the employer staff, clients, and other industry practitioners during internship. Where applicable, the student is able to fulfill an academic requirement through internship. For the academic institution, internship offers a less expensive way for extra practical lessons to students and provides an industrial link for keeping their curriculum current and boosting their school rankings. The internship employer is able to get fresh ideas from the students, who are normally more forthcoming and willing to learn. Some employers use internship to select students for future employment. Internship can also fill gaps for employers in routine tasks, especially in popular employee holiday seasons like summer. Self-reflection. Before starting the internship search process, a student should do a self-reflection exercise. He or she needs to find out exactly who he or she is, his or her career interests and goals, future employment preferences in terms of industry, geography. He needs to find out his strengths and weaknesses and personal constraints like transport, income, and more. This can be done through seeking advice and guidance from the School Career Guidance Center, also doing some online assessment tests, and also having one-on-one peer-to-peer assessment. Materials. Internship search requires certain key materials, especially documentation, without which the exercise will be difficult. This includes an introductory letter from the school to the employer explaining some facts about the student, about the necessity for internship, and about the school and the student's expectations. This letter should be supplemented by an interim academic transcript where possible. The student is expected also to prepare a customizable CV or resume, which should include more about group roles, volunteer activities, and extracurricular activities, given that the student has limited work experience. In addition, a customizable cover or application letter should be prepared, composed of what attracts the student to this particular employer, what the employer will benefit from the student, and what the student is expecting to learn from the employer, among others. The student should be ready with a list of 3 professional referees, especially former or current professors and lecturers, and if applicable, employment supervisors. Mock interviews. The student should undergo mock interviews covering all the possible interview scenarios. This should be done with help from the Career Guidance Center or from fellow students. These interviews should include physical and online interviews, oral and written interviews, face-to-face one-on-one, and panel interviews, and also group interviews. The students should be prepared for different questions, including technical, behavioral, general questions, and many other different question formats. Opportunities. To make the internship search task easier, the students should gather internship opportunities and potential employers from all sources possible. These sources should include school career office, career fairs, job boards, corporate and professional association websites, past internship providers and alumni, online searches, and news, among others. This information should be tabled and detailed properly, preferably in a spreadsheet, an Excel spreadsheet or some bit of tabular arrangement. The details should include, among others, the employer requirements, application procedure, deadlines, and much more. This list should be arranged and prioritized properly, especially taking into account the student's own career interests. Applying. Once the opportunities list has been prioritized, the student should match his or her needs to that of the employers and make applications taking into account the employment situation and priority ranking. The respective cover letter and CV should be customized to take into account the employer requirements, remembering what attracts the student to the employer, what the student is bringing to the table, and what the student wants. The application should be made early and obviously within the deadlines, as most employers use a first come, first served basis while shortlisting and selecting students. Interviewing. Once invited for an interview, the student should confirm the attendance, review his or her documents and facts, make research on the company, especially its performance, products and services, news, and annual reports. You can do this utilizing websites and online information. The student should reach the interview venue in time, dress properly, treat everyone politely, and be prepared to answer all questions and ask some. First impressions really matter. After the interview, the student should send a thank you note and arrange to follow up unless strictly told not to do so by the employer. Offers. In most situations, the student will receive 2 or more offers. In such situation, the student should re-evaluate all offers taking into account the observations obtained from the interview, in addition to his or her career goals and interests. After comparisons, the student should accept only one offer. It is not ethical to accept more than one. After accepting one offer, the student should send polite rejection letters to the other offers. Thereafter, the student should prepare to start the internship on the agreed date with guidance from the school career center. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to superCoolclues YouTube channel for more videos of this nature if you have not yet subscribed. Subscription is absolutely free.